Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Chainlink and its valuation against Bitcoin as well as the US dollar. Because of the recent price moves of Bitcoin, and this goes for every altcoin, besides maybe Celsius. I mean, Celsius is the only one up against Bitcoin, but with Chainlink and a majority of other altcoins, um, when Bitcoin is volatile to the downside like it is today, it affects altcoins pretty badly. When Bitcoin sneezes, alts catch a cold. You could say when Bitcoin bleeds, altcoins bleed harder, and that this is no different with Chainlink right now. Currently, for the week, it is down. Or sorry, for the week it is down 6%, 7% against Bitcoin. We have been in a downtrend for weeks at this point, ever since the end of January. We are failing to break the 20-week moving average. We've had attempts, our heads poke out of it, but every single time we get rejected. And so it is not Chainlink's time to continue on up. And so we are, because we're unable to break the 20-week moving average, we go into a downtrend, because if we can't outbeat the price of a 20 on a 20-week lagging indicator, then the price is going down. So it's interesting to see this because for a majority of its time of existence, it has been used as support. The 20 weeks specifically, it has been used as support many times, um, and I just find it interesting now that it's working against us. So with Chainlink, well, with Chainlink, it's more for me. It's being put on the back burner now because of what Bitcoin's doing. Um, with Chainlink, it's no surprise that it's going down, um, especially because of what Bitcoin's doing, and because of what Bitcoin's doing, my attention's on Bitcoin at the moment. With Chainlink, um, we can start focusing more on it when Bitcoin's volatility subsides, when it starts to chill out, whether it bleeds, but bleeds a lot slower. So maybe a down 1-2% per day kind of thing. Even with that kind of environment, all coins can reverse. But until that time, expect Chainlink to bleed further. And we will revisit Chainlink as well as other altcoins when Bitcoin calms down. That isn't to say that I'm not going to talk about Chainlink ever again. It's just that in times like these, uh, Bitcoin is king. Bitcoin moves the market. We can see today is a great example of that. When Bitcoin drops like this, all coins bleed hard, and because of that, we need to know what Bitcoin's going to do, and that's why we need to look at this chart. We talked about my previous video of where Bitcoin can find support. When Bitcoin does find support, or until that time it slows down the bleed, then we might see a resurgence in altcoins. But until that time, unfortunately, Chainlink is going to be put on the back burner here and kind of wait and see. It's difficult, I know, because we've been in a downtrend. Arguably, you could say we're in a macro downtrend still from August. We're still trending downwards. But we did see a resurgence in January. At this point, I did take some profits off of Chainlink. So with Chainlink's current price, I'm happy that I did. But um, it's it's difficult. It's difficult, I know, but I think Chainlink will turn it around. As soon as it gets above its 20-week moving average, we should see the Chainlink that everyone knows and loves um, come back with an asterisk. It might not look exponential anymore. We might be moving into a more logarithmic pattern. But uh, if I would welcome, I would be not surprised, but I would also welcome it if Chainlink can continue this exponential move up a little bit more. But that's basically it for Chainlink. Not much to go off of. Bitcoin is down, and so because of that, Chainlink is down, and that's pretty much the summary of it, the TLDR. That's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.